Okay, for part 3 of our GreenWizard 101 series, we're going to talk a little bit about some tools for the interior design team. So let's go in here and search and begin looking for some furniture products and then really highlight how the features can be utilized. Searching for furniture, going in 1250, we're going to see some search results come up. We can go in here and see the number of products that come back, and we can go through a whole list of materials in our typical fashion. Now, what I want to highlight here is starting to identify how we can search for manufacturers in that category, go into certifications, attributes, etc. But we can also, after we've done that search, utilize the library feature. Saving this product down to the library, we can go now to my organization level, not the GreenWizard database, and really start digging in and vetting and managing building product information. Seeing the library now, we've got the number of products. There's a couple options here. I can go into the furnishings and see the number of products and view all those furnishings that I've saved to the library of my office. I can go in here, same format, see the information the same way, scanning through. We've got a couple different things we can do here. We can filter. Now this is a subset of my library features and the manufacturers that I have, certifications, etc. similar. But now you see things that have labels, include and exclude labels. This is specific to my library. I can go in here, these things that I've set up to tag with specific ideas or specific needs of my office. So I can go in here and make a selection here. And now that's just going to have the seating, the furnishing of this particular subset. So I can see here a list of information. I can filter that again. I can continue to filter these down by different options, or I can go in here and specifically look at maybe comparing some different products together. So go here, I'm going to go back to the library for a second, and we're going to show you how to create a label. So you can go into the top. Clicking on labels, now I have a subset of information I've got by office, by particular furnishings, by different needs of performance or certifications. I'm going to go in here specifically, and you can view each one of these that has a tag on it. If I click on the label button at the very top, this is where you can organize those. These are completely custom to your account. You can see the number of products. It's very simple. You just add the new label in here and hit save. I'm going to go back to that list, and I'm going to look at a subset of those labels. The second option there at the green button, and we're going to look at desk chairs. Hit view. So I've got now 12 desk chairs to look at that I've saved down. Let's compare 3 of those chairs against each other. Select those 3 on the bottom, on the left side and then we're going to compare them at the top. You're going to get a pop-up window of those 3 options. And you can see all the data fields lined up side by side. So if I'm making decisions, selections, we can go in here and see exactly how these products compare. This is all, again, directly from the manufacturer, so you can see it's reliable, it's accurate, it's coming, and it's up to date. You can see here all the different fields. You'll see a list of documents. This product has a declare label on it, unlike the other 3. You can see the difference here in the certifications, level, UL, performance and sustainability attributes all compared next to each other. You can see looks like it's NAUF compliant, only one of them, the Technion product there. And again, you can see that LBC red list free because it is a declare label next to it. So we can go in here and we can filter down. Even as we vetted them out, we can say of those furnishing, those chairs, let's just look at some level 2 options for those, and I can filter again just looking at level 2 certified products, and now I've only got a handful. And out of the selections I've already saved down, this is something that you can manage internally and make very informed decisions specific for your office, vetted and reliable, and an easy way for you to share furniture information to your team. I can now add this to a particular project, making the similar selection, go in here to lead V4 my demo project, add to the project a selection, and then we can even tag it by what it is at the project level we'll be tracking on that particular product. So very simple, MR credits, IEQ credits, information. Simply go down here, hit save changes, and you're taken right to the project listing. This will continue on to the next section.